Well, this began billions of years ago, from a speck of dust to what we see our Earth as today. It's gone through a lot of changes. And maybe speaking about the massive Earth from a tiny mouth is incomprehensible. But we all know that we need to be the change we want to see. We're now playing a major role of what lies in the Earth's future. Thinking about the pros and cons, we've damaged Mother Earth a lot. But at the same time, there were a few who gave in great efforts and retrieved it. We brought up ideas, opinions, and reasons with significance. And this is one major inroad towards progress and development. Just like we know that Rome was not built in a day, we moved forward step by step. Now, we, the seekers of this existence, we know well that we have evidently and undeniably contributed to this. We have no words to express our gratitude for the great ones who invented big devices, discovered the interstellar medium, proved some very abstract sciences, or maybe created something just as basic as a safety pin. Necessity is the mother of invention. Don't just say it, do it. We made strong initiatives towards organizing education and safety learning camps, demonetizing for reducing corruption, moving towards women empowerment, and having less discrimination against race and status. But a number of them still survive. Like a few instances from political instability, wars and conflicts going on between religion, countries having extreme levels of poverty, and many more. But somewhere along the line, I firmly believe we'll eradicate those too. Who doesn't want a peaceful world after all? So, I, Vaidehi Ramani, say that let us all strive to continue making our Earth free from the petty issues we create and making it a better home for all to live in. In the end, it's for the betterment of the world. Thank you.